Today unboxing is on the recent Tomica Limited Vintage Neo release, the Toyota Hiace Wagon. I seldom feature vans in my channel, and this is a good opportunity. The 2002 Hiace Wagon comes in an unusual long box for the TLVN. At the true scale of 1:64, they are highly accurate. Both are very awesome pair with lots of details. And although their specifications are the same, with just only different color in variation, they have very different characteristics. Box wise is pretty standard in variation A and B. Now let's take a closer look at the Hiace Wagon Living Saloon EX in pearl white. Needless to say, for the close-up is extremely detailed. Coming from TLVN, I really like the color scheme and the livery on the Hiace Wagon, which further elevates the casting. The Living Saloon EX has a very elegant typography for the logo type, including a tan interior, which is quite detailed, although there's a lack of color, and is extremely spacious with a lot of leg room for the passenger van. Rear-wise is equally beautiful. You can see the Toyota badge together with the Hiace logo type. Highlight is definitely on the rear lights, which are plastic insert and is very detailed. Realistic wheel sets without any suspension. Metal base with quite basic details. Also equipped with sunroof to give a full visual clarity of the interior. Side mirror is already pre-installed, which I find a little bit chunky. The proportion is not really there. Next, the 2002 Hiace Wagon in another color variant. Exact details with a difference in body color in pearl blue. And unlike the previous casting, this gives a totally different feel and definitely looks more industrial due to the color scheme. Same level of details and accuracy for TLV for both models. And to be frank, I prefer this variant better. It looks more down to earth and more industrialized. Distinct wheel sets without any suspension. Full clarity of the interior from the top view. This time with the color scheme in grey for the interior. The finishing and the quality is needless to say, flawless, coming from TLV. These awesome details and the quality are the reason why I pursue for the TLV brand. More TLV unboxing coming your way. And remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone. Bye.